Okay, you are welcome to my studio again. I'm GB Bello. In this video, I'll be talking about the basic measurement that you need to take for your male shirt. If you want to take your measurement for a standard shirt, corporate or casual, these are the basic measurement that you need to take. Look at this one. The first measurement you are going to take is the neck. You take your tape around the neck of the person that you are measuring, then the shoulder, from one edge of the shoulder to the other. Then make sure you take the armhole, then take your sleeves, either the short sleeve or the long sleeve. Make sure the measurement of the long sleeve gets to your wrist. Then you can come back to take the length of the shirt from the edge of this leg down to the mid part of the hip. The reason why it is like that is because men do tucking their shirt. So if you make it to be short, when the person tucks in, the shirt will be flying. You understand? It won't be well tucked. That's why you need to allow it to get to like the mid area of their hip. Unlike ladies' shirt that you allow it to rest on the upper part of the hip. For male shirt, you allow the length of their shirt to get at least to the mid area of their hip. So in case the person tucks in, unless it is just a casual short shirt that the person just wants to fly on the trousers or on the jean. So I'll go over the measurement again. You take the collar, then you take the shoulder, from one edge of the shoulder to the other. Then you take your armhole, you take the sleeve length, either the short or the long. Then you come back to take the chest, which is usually the widest part of a male shirt for average body size. Then you take the chest, which is usually the widest part. Then you can take the waist or the hip. Ordinarily, what you take for the chest, you can also use it for the hip. You understand? Then you can just reduce the waist measurement with just 1 inch. Every other measurement, we have tables that you can use for them. If you check your workbook, you find a table there, and it shows different sizes of UK sizes of shirts, men's shirts, with the corresponding measurement that can be used, like the measurement you can use for your wrist when you are cutting, drafting the pattern, and some other key parts. So that's that about the measurement for your male shirt. Those are the key things that you need to take.